2013 Forest River Solera 24S. This is a fantastic option for those seeking a comfortable and spacious home on wheels. The Solera offers a cozy bedroom, complete with a corner bed. And it also provides additional sleeping space at the front of the RV, making it perfect for hosting guests or family members. But wait, there's more. The heart of this RV is its spacious kitchen and living area. This space is perfect for whipping up meals or simply relaxing with your favorite book or movie. Now let's explore the outdoors. The Solera boasts an expansive power awning that shades over half of the RV. Talk about convenience. And don't forget about storage space. This beauty comes with ample underbed storage as well as an exterior pass-through storage compartment for all your outdoor gear. In conclusion, the Forest River Solera 24S is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a comfortable and spacious RV to embark on their next adventure.